Again, my name is Cherry Janisha Ampig. I am currently serving as the General Manager of Yasana Philippines. I've been here with this company, would you believe, Miss Dina, for more than 16 years now. So I've spent over 2 decades po of my career in the direct selling industry. That's to be exact, 24 years na po ako in the direct selling industry. And my journey has been rooted in one consistent goal po, and that is to help people thrive, whether that's our employees, our associates, or the communities that we serve. In fact, Miss Dina, every time that I'm asked, what do you do? Instead of like the usual me saying, oh, I'm from sales and marketing, or I'm the GM, I would always say, I am in the business of improving lives or making people feel good about themselves.